Because that, I think, is our future, where, things like the Russell 2000, this is 2,000 companies not doing jack shit. Nasdaq 100 stocks booming to new highs. I don't know. You tell me, does that look slightly bullish? This almost looks like a nice little midpoint consolidation right there. And that means that this is one leg and that should be the other leg. So where's this Nasdaq going in the short term? I would say the odds are we're probably going there. I hate to say it, but this does feel like 1950s. And actually an image that I wanted to show you guys, which I haven't shown you guys in a while, but probably is worth taking a moment. It's more macro talk though, versus particular stocks. But I don't know how if I can remember it. Oh, it might be this one. Oh, take a look at that. Hey, there we go. It is this one. Yay. I believe Colonel Mustard did it in the drawing room with the candlestick. All right, what do you think? Any correlation there? Probably we should put this back out on social media. I haven't put this chart out in a while, and hopefully you can see the correlation. Let's see. What I really want to do is see this chaos theory level. Where is that one? There. So I guess that was that fib there. Well, I guess that's it. 2.618. So you can see 2.618 here. And that would take us into the coming cycle peak, which I think is what we should expect. So what that means is that, here's our stock market here. I like the idea that we're going through this period right now. All you level oneers, right? This is going to have to become religion for you guys here over the next little while. I think actually this is a good image. I would almost insist, I think I'm even going to go put this into the level one room here. We're level one. There we go. Because that, I think, is our future, where, things like the Russell 2000, this is 2,000 companies not doing jack shit. Nasdaq 100 stocks booming to new highs. I don't know. You tell me, does that look slightly bullish? So if anything, this almost looks like a nice little midpoint consolidation right there. And that means that this is one leg and that should be the other leg. So where's this Nasdaq going in the short term? I would say the odds are we're probably going there. So there you go. Probably on the event of hitting these highs, all of these potential divergences will turn into confirmed divergences. Kind of like how you see here. We actually hit the 200 SMA. We probably came down into fib levels. Maybe that was even a Wyckoff check. I don't know. But notice how we were like one divergence, but now we got to 4 confirmed divergences. So now we can start making a base and up we go. So my hunch is at this level, you'll probably start seeing all the bearish divergences start to print. And of course, that'll be the top of your market. And ironically enough, they're probably just going to bring it back down into this traffic area on whatever the subsequent correction is. So anyway, that's the sweet spot of the market right now. And of course, that's all about things like Microsoft and Amazon and, Facebook and Netflix and all, what do they call them? The FANG stocks, all that stuff. Obviously, I'm not going to be going and invest in something like that. Brian, he's a cheap ass. He wants to buy W's at the bottom end of ranges. This would be my sort of level to be super interested in, not up here.